This is the 12th generation Corolla. You can see the front is having the very sharp look with a big black grille. Michelin tire with 17-inch rim. Front LED light. So there is a 360-degree camera. This is the new color. It's a bluish gray color. This is the 1.8G. The rear is now come with the new bumper and the new rear headlamp. The boot space, and then the rear view camera and the button to unlock your rear boot. This is how the side look like. This 12th generation Corolla 1.8G is priced at 137,000, while the 1.8E is 127,000. So this is the steering, leather wrap steering with adaptive cruise control button. The lane keep assist, and then you have the new touchscreen, and for the 1.8G is come with the dual zone aircon. Electronic parking brake and auto hold with auto hold function. So come with the 1.8G, also come with the pedal shifter. Auto light and auto wiper as standard for the 1.8G. Vanity mirror with light. Auto dimming mirror. .12 watt socket and one USB charger. Also come with the wireless charging function for the 1.8G. ESP, electronic stability program, and the sport mode button. The 1.8G also come with the auto high beam, tire pressure monitoring, and the PVM is the 360-degree camera. This is the window switch with the auto fold side mirror. This is how the cabin look like. Isofix point for your child. Rear aircon vent. Okay, that's it for now. 10th generation Corolla.